Pumila kami sa sa baggage counter. Mahaba ng pila, oh. Ngayon ay araw ng linggo. Uwi na kami.
See you on 5 years.
5 years. 5 years.
Naka next month. Okay pa naman.
Pinapahanap yung aking kaibigan sa duty free. Dubai chocolate daw yun. Baka wala rito. Wala, te? Te? Te, wala? Ah, tinanong mo? Wala daw. Hindi sa akin, kay Normie. Nagpapabili si Normie ng Dubai chocolate. Hindi sa akin. May madadaanan tayo dyan. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayan, made in Vietnam. Puro ano ng Vietnam. Gawa sa Vietnam. Sila, oh. Ayun nga. Yun ang aming plan. Cebu Pacific. Ay, mga kasamahan namin sa kabila. Iba wala pa. Ikot ko. Nagsosolo ka, ha? Iwan ka, next batch ka. Katulad ni Annie, naiwan, di ba? Nahuli. Yung dalawang mag-ina. Yung tinakapon, yung dalawang mag-ina. Sako pala yung kanila. Ay, ito yung sasakay natin, Cebu Pacific. Oh. Yan. Wait lang, ha. Bababa ko na yung maleta ko. Wait lang. Aeroplanong sasakyan.
The aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward international flights on Cebu Pacific, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For passengers with onward domestic flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please be advised that you are required to clear immigration first, claim your checked baggage, and clear through customs before proceeding to the transfer desk at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila, Philippines. The local time is 45 minutes past the hour of 1 in the morning, and there is a 1-hour time difference between Da Nang, Vietnam and Manila, Philippines, Manila being 1 hour ahead. The ground temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. And also, we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 30 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Alvin Ralph Pagituan with First Officer Kaiser Kamaongay, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Pinapalipag pa.
Tagal. Saan ka na?
Saan mo nakita? Pagkain na tayo. Uy, maleta namin. Ayun na, maleta namin. Ayun, yung orange. Ayan, nakita na namin. Salamat naman. Ayun na, maleta namin. Maleta. Ayun, maleta namin. Ito na, tapat dito sa tapat.